Hello, this is Jared from Twin Oaks Family Farm. We're here this evening, my oldest son, youngest son, we're here this evening finishing up the pallet fence. Just about got it completed. So we had somebody asking how, what it took to do it. So all we done was we was able to get some pallets from our local feed mill, and they give them to us. And so you can either, if you find a place that will give them to you, that's great, because that just helps on the cost of the fence. Or there's places that have several, and they charge $1 or $2 a pallet. So, but anyway, so what we done was we just stuck them end to end here. We stood them up, stuck them end to end. We use 2.5 inch exterior wood screws. Got the star head bit. Took a couple screws, top and bottom, one in the middle, screwed them together, and then took a T-post and just stuck it down in the middle on one end, and about every 10 foot drove it in the ground, and that just helps hold it. It will move, but it won't blow over. Like I say, it's stuck together with screws. Of course, all we've got in it, all we're holding is chickens. We do have some places here that we will have to put some scrap board on the bottom, just to, keep any predators from going in that way. I know they can get through the slats, but the chickens go in their buildings at night. We close them in at night, so we shouldn't really have to worry too much about that. But that's how the fence is really constructed. Just take and put the pallets together, and we stuck some posts down between, and I think it's going to work out great for us. Thank you.